Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing a gardening product that I really like. It is called LiquaFeed Bloom Booster. It's made by Miracle-Gro, and they actually have a specific feeder that you can use on it with a hose. But since I am on a balcony, I cannot use a hose, so instead what I do is I open it up. Here's the watering can I have here. I open it up and it has this interesting bowl, and I pour it into my bucket, my watering can actually. Just pour a little bit, and it says to use, I think it says to use every 7 to 14 days. Here's the product that actually attaches to the LiquaFeed, and it's already made for that. That's why it has a funny hole in it. But since I don't have a sprayer or a hose, since I'm on a balcony, I just put it into my watering can and use it about every 7 to 14 days. So I'm going to fill up my watering can so it dilutes the fertilizer, and I will be back to show you that in just a second. So I'm back and my watering can is all full, and I don't know what this type of plant is, but when I bought it, it was about 6 inches tall. Right now it's about 2 feet. Got some begonias, some sweet alyssum growing from seeds, some impatiens, some begonias, this large succulent that I wrapped around these interesting little spikes, and this is some poppies and some nasturtiums. And so I put the LiquaFeed. Where did it go? This is the Miracle-Gro LiquaFeed. It's just the easiest watering. Like I said, I put it into the can, fill it up with water. It's about 2 gallons worth, and just water my plants. A lot of these I started from seeds. Some I got at the hardware store. Already started. The sweet alyssum can I started from seed. Oh, gotta switch hands here. So you just water your plants with the Miracle-Gro LiquaFeed. And if you can see here, these begonias, I call them Blanche, or her Blanche, they started as a 1 by 1 inch square of begonias, and it's now taken over the whole pot. And I highly attribute that to the Miracle-Gro LiquaFeed. These blossoms have gone crazy since I started using this product. The hummingbirds absolutely love coming up here and feeding off of these little flowers that come off the succulent. And like I said, it's super easy. I've been using Miracle-Gro products since I was a kid when I started my own gardening. Gardening is a nice little hobby that I have of mine. It makes me super happy, and it's really nice to be in a city and also have a nice little garden on your balcony. Got a little pink flamingo, a couple pink flamingos hidden in there. Like I said, just easy as watering, and I've always seen great results from Miracle-Gro. Their potting mix as well. Plant my flowers and plants. This plant I just love. I call him Sydney. And as you can see, the results are pretty amazing. This thing has gotten a lot taller. The blooms, like I said, have gone kind of crazy. This plant here, right here with flamingo, I started from seed, and they are poppies. They haven't blossomed just yet, but there are already 3, maybe 4 ready to blossom, and I'm waiting for the nasturtiums to come in. I kind of had a problem with caterpillars that decided to eat through my leaves, and I'm kind of growing this as a hummingbird garden because we have a lot of hummingbirds in the area, and it's always fun to have them come up and feed off your plants. So it's a lovely product. I highly recommend it. This is, let's see, 16 fluid ounces of LiquaFeed. It absolutely promotes more growth. Especially if you look at Blanche here. She started as a little humble little plant and now has taken over the entire pot. I've got a little gnome that I have in here. And those are the impatiens. These have all they started from plants that I got at the hardware store, and they've grown into a plant that's taken over the whole pot, which is pretty darn amazing. So if I had to rate this, I give it a 5 out of 5. I absolutely am tickled pink and pleased with the results. So again, the Miracle-Gro LiquaFeed, a bloom booster, flower food. Highly recommend it. 5 out of 5. But don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.